We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Yes guys, see it here guys. See it here, some string bean and pop chow. No meat, see it there guys. String bean and pop chow. So we're gonna do it same, eat it like this. No food and nothing guys. So live film with a brand new video back again. Live. Let's upon yourself people, you wanna see it? Watch your people, you see it? Pop chow, string bean. See it there? Live, blessing the people. Big up all the fans. Just want to subscribe, comment, like. Alright people, see it there? See it there? Caramel dumpling, pumpkin and white yam. See the people, white yam. So when I go see what I want. When it done cook, share it. You're gonna see what I want. Just stay tuned. See pumpkin, pumpkin, caramel dumpling, and white. My friend again, see it there? Pop chow and string bean, white yam, caramel dumpling and pumpkin. So see they're suitable people. Just forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. Ital live. Bless up on yourself and my fans, and happy Christmas and happy New Year when it come. Big up on yourself. Live blessings.